we are subtracting 7 more than twice a number from the square of 1/3 of the number. The easiest way for me to think about this problem is we're subtracting some piece from something else. So that means the first piece will be minus the first piece. So we'll take 1/3 of a number and we're going to square that. So 1/3 of a number can also be written as 1/3 x. And all of this is going to be squared because it says the square of 1/3 of a number. And then that first piece says subtract 7 more than twice a number. So we're going to subtract twice a number and 7 more. So 1/3 of a number squared minus 2 times a number plus 7 more. And it says all of this is 0.